canals, rivers and streams. I'm a beautiful bird, seen by a few. Do you like my feathers? They're electric blue. Got an orange breast, a long sleek beak, short blue tail and bright orange feet. On the wing I fly, fast and low, looking for my meal in the water below. When it comes to fish, I like to eat mine whole. Swallow head first and down it goes. There goes a pellet, leftover fish bits. Can you smell it? Kingfisher, Riverbank Creek. She likes to dive in the rivers and dive.
The common kingfisher is a diving bird.
Man, I'm so good, it's absurd. I'd score a perfect 10 in any competition. Don't cause a splash, I might be a magician. I see underwater with my third eyelid. That's how I catch fish fast, kid. The riverbank is the place for my nest. I dig out a burrow for safety and rest. Lay a clutch of eggs, teeny and glossy, that soon become babies, hungry and bossy. Their little beaks are luminous, makes feeding in the dark real easy for us. Kingfisher, Riverbank Creek. She likes to dive in the rivers and dive. Kingfisher, Riverbank Creek. She likes to dive in the rivers and dive. Oh yeah, I love to dive into streams, yeah. Dive all day. Little kingfish around your